Hey guys, I'm here doing something to my car. So I'm putting in these LED roof lights. They're a cheap brand, but they work pretty good. I just figured out how to do it. I thought I would have to rewire. I guess they give me these just in case they need to hardwire it or something. But so I was able to figure it out. I mean, all I literally had to do was just take out the bolt. But yeah, man, it came out nice. They work pretty bright too. So yeah, all you had to do was just take out the hard plastic, which I'm gonna do right now. Putting on the adhesive. Just hold it for like 30 seconds. Applying pressure. Alright, now I put this one in. Cover. And now let there be light. Awesome. Now I don't have any batteries in the remote, which is down. Oh, I don't really like. But let's go on to this. So I got to this part, I had to skip because it took me a while to figure out how to get the cover off without breaking it. And also, oh shit, jumped the car. Also, so this is for, I had to use this for the roof light, and for the front, I need to buy another one. I didn't have enough. I thought it was gonna be one. Just put the connector, insert with the light bulb, and voila, that's it. But I don't have another one. If I had another one, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I just won't use that one. Check out the light bulb and the other bulb. Secure these somewhere nice and safe. But I just need batteries now. So, and some tape first. There we go. I will secure this along the side here. So I ended up having to run some errands when I went to go get batteries, so it is now nighttime. So now you can really see the LEDs set up. So I got that set up, and I think they're very bright. So that means I have the LEDs on the roof, and I have the LEDs in the floor. And also I got my 6-speed. I got my 6-speed rear view mirror. And even that lights up too. So, oh shit. Even that lights up too. So now I have full on rave in my car. So got the purple. Purple. Hey, see? Purple. Purple everywhere. I don't know why I like purple. Purple really looks good. My car's a mess. I got groceries everywhere. Let's see how it looks on the outside though. I think it looks awesome. What I like about the floor ones is that their sound. Whoa, what happened? Hey, I can actually control everything with one remote now. What the hell? I guess whatever. Let me see. Did you see it? Hey, that's dope. It can. How did that work? Whoa, okay. That's confusing. Wait, I think I just ruined it. What's going on? What the hell? Hold on. What did I do? Hold on. There we go. Okay. What? Alright, apparently the signal between the fucking remotes, they intertwine, so I can actually use one for all of them if I'm careful. Yeah, so I just hold it. There we go. Oh yeah, but like I was saying, the floor ones are sound, so I'll stop my feet, they go off. Or I could do the jump or the fade. I think fade. There we go. Fade goes with that. Yay! So I can actually control everything with one remote. So that's legit. All right, that's cool. Awesome. So now I don't have to have these two remotes. I can just use one. I mean, I'll keep them both in the car, but I could just use one. That's awesome. All right. But hey, that's it. That's my video. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Like and share, subscribe, and later.